Hello, Polly's the best for UK here. Welcome to today's game of the day. Today's game is Technican Ted from the Chip Factory. So let's have a look at this one. This is a game I had back as a kid, and yep. So as you can see, you are this man. Now this is a 48 game, but that was a 128 mega mix as well. But this is a 48 original. You'll notice that they have used some clever techniques to get music playing simultaneously all the way through. So yeah, this is basically sort of manic miner clone, sort of jet set Willy clone sort of thing. It is a bit buggy because sometimes when you want to try and jump, it like sort of goes back to the first screen without giving you a chance. Okay, so you can see the coin and the I presume that's a coin and the 1 ton weight and stuff. So everything on the screen gets you. Not, oh you fuck! Ouch! Yeah, this game is very, very hard. I can always remember it being very hard as a kid, and it's never been an easy game, in my opinion. And yeah, so yeah, not a bad little manic miner jet set Willy style game here. Oh you booner! Oh you fuck! Ah, that room, to jump from that room to that room, you have to be in the right place, so it just keeps flipping screen like that. Try going the other way. No, I don't think you can actually, no point. I'm pretty sure you've got to go right. So yeah, the graphics are good, nicely detailed, nice metal colour. The beeper music in the background's not too bad either, it's pretty decent, considering it's running on a 48 with now sound chip and, well now sound chip like the AY or anything, and the music doesn't slow down the performance of the game one bit. So that's pretty impressive, because I presume it's using CPU power to do the beeper sounds. Okay, let's try and get past this bit. Wait for the plant to go up and go past. So in the cloud room there, every single one of these hooks will kill you. So it's not easy. You got to photocopy a room down here. So yeah. That is a bit of a bug where it keeps flipping through screens when you try and jump, and it keeps doing that. That's a bit of a bug in the game. Oh you fuck! So I fell down right here. Right. Okay. Oh, I managed to get past that first bit. Ooh, that was close. Right, let's try and get past this screen. Whoa, the Acme piles almost got me there. So yeah, the Acme files that is. There's various objects to pick up on the game, and as you can see in the bottom of the screen you've got your tasks to complete. Not sure what the timer's all about, but yeah, it does seem like you've got a time limit. Oh you fuck! So watch out for these heads here. And this coin. Oh yeah, you can jump from the bottom room to the top room if you're in the right place. Right, here we go. Oh you booner. So yeah, very difficult game. It responds well to the keyboard controls, and I think you can use a joystick, but I'm actually using the keyboard today. Yeah, you can use a joystick. You can use a Kempson joystick as well. Didn't realise that. So let's try that out. Try and jump over him. Trouble is, fall to height will kill you as well, so that's not a very good thing to do. Okay. So you can't sort of jump downwards from platform to platform, unfortunately. Oh shit. So yeah, it's a bit of Technican Ted, a nice little game. It's colourful, it's hard though, really difficult. Oh, I'm going to try and jump across that. See if I can do it this time. Oh, you shit. You've got to get your timing right with your coin. I'll wait for the coin to go back that way, and then we'll try that again. So, go down. Wait for him to come, and jump. Hey! Oh shit! Oh shit! Phew! Right, okay. So I'll get how you get past... Oh, no way! You come from up the top. Yeah, I sort of get how you get past that screen there. You've got to like sort of do it in stages. Like you can't just jump all the way down. Okay, right. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna try and do it again. Oh shit. Phew, it's a good job the coin can't go all the way. This last one. Make sure I get the timing right. Oh no, I just went straight into him. So yeah, that's the Technican Ted on the ZX Spectrum, and I'm going to give that one a nice 8 out of 10. Very difficult, but nice and colourful, good graphics, good music, and now slow down. Thank you for watching.